Emergencies and disasters happen, whether the damage is caused by a fire, flood, storm, or natural disaster at any properties you own or manage. Being prepared and having a partner in place with a plan is essential to recovery. We use custom technology to effectively gather data at facilities and quickly create an emergency plan prior to any loss. These plans are available 24/7, 365 from our BankCreate secure software and our easy-to-use app, where you can also dispatch our crews whenever you need us with the click of one button. In the event of a loss, our crews arrive with a streamlined, actionable plan in place, knowing where to go, who to call, and what to do in the event of a loss, reducing downtime and stress and saving you money. We specialize in commercial restoration and have vast experience working with many other buildings similar to yours. Take ease in knowing that you have a committed, local partner in place with a plan, ready to respond 24/7, 365. We would like the opportunity to set up a presentation and show you the value of our partnership to save you downtime, stress, and costs in the event of a loss. From the smallest emergency to the largest disaster, we are your partner in commercial restoration, protecting you and your properties.